So in this video I want to talk about which is the best way to learn algorithms. I think the only person that's, for me, has answered this as close as what I'm going to do today is Chris Tran. Back in 2017 he did a lecture. So what he covered there was splitting things down into triggers, or what he called A, B, C, D. And you'd just know different cubes, sorry. You'd know triggers like IUR prime as one trigger, IU2R prime as another, sector move as one, and then what's another one, just sledgehammer. So, and obviously the inverse. And then you'd use that to build your algorithms. So for this, and then that's what you need to learn. They're normally in brackets when you look at notation. That's the first thing. The second thing is looking at blocks when you're doing the algorithm. So for this one, it's a fish shape OLO. You can check out my video on that. I'll put a card on the video. So this is, you basically take out the pair and you want to watch where the blocks move. So here you take out the pair, U prime, and then you go into sledgehammer, and then it's IU2R prime, and you get the yellow face solved. The second thing is, just to show you how to, third thing, just to show you how to make links between the algorithms with blocks is, so take this J-perm, you end up with this position partway through the algorithm before it deviates from this R-perm. So this R-perm's that, and J-perm is like, and then it's just one section move, whereas here you're doing two U moves, so RU2R prime before you undo everything. It's a slight alteration, but that's how I learnt the two algorithms very closely. And T-perm's just like a rearranged form of J-perm, if you look at it on paper, but I've never seen that. I've heard people say that. Hope this was helpful, and I'll be posting more videos soon.